Do you want some?
Yeah, sure. Where is it from?
Oh, I've just been craving cake, so I went and picked one up today.
I don't know. I don't really like store-bought cake.
Oh, this isn't from a store. It's from my bakery. Are you sure you don't want any?
I don't know. I have my own bakery, and you have to wait at least 3 days to pick up a cake, so I'll pass for right now.
That sounds pretty inconvenient for some good cake. My bakery is busy, but it's also really good at making great cakes. And you don't even have to wait. You can just go there and pick one up. I am serious. This cake is so good. You are going to love it. What the?
Why wait for a quality trailer when you can pick up a bean right now? Same construction, same quality, same bean. That way you can have your cake and you know the rest.